What if you could save 40% on your AI tokens while getting unlimited free access to Claude and Gemini? Let me show you how. Hi, I'm Jason. I'll be your host today on GitHub Trending. We've got a packed house with 8 incredible projects that are absolutely dominating the charts right now. We're talking about everything from Byte Dance's incredible desktop agent to a guide that's becoming the gold standard for server security. Honestly, this week is just wild. There's a lot of ground to cover, and you definitely don't want to miss the financial agents from Anthropic. Alright, let's jump right in. First up is a project that every single person with a VPS needs to bookmark today. It's called How to Secure a Linux Server by User imthenachoman. This isn't just a list of commands. It's an evolving, deep dive guide into hardening your server that actually explains the why behind every single step you take. It's sitting at over 26,000 stars and covers everything from SSH key management to automated Ansible playbooks for those of you who want to automate your security. Why is it blowing up now? Because cyber attacks are getting more sophisticated and developers are realizing they can't just leave their default configurations running anymore. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by security walls of text, this guide's practical approach is one of the best I've seen. It's essential reading for modern DevOps. Next up, we are heading into the world of Web3 with Acton. This is an all-in-one toolchain for development on the Ton blockchain, written entirely in Rust. The Ton ecosystem is exploding lately, and Acton provides a single CLI for the full contract lifecycle. You can create, build, test, and even debug in one place. What makes this impressive is the native speed. Since it's Rust-based, the test runtime is incredibly fast. It even creates TypeScript wrappers for your D8 development automatically. It features a browser-based UI for inspecting failed tests and gas snapshots. It's clearly built for developers who want a professional, high-performance workflow on Ton. If you've been curious about building on Telegram's favorite blockchain, Acton is the tool that makes it feel like second nature. It's finally out of the hobbyist phase. Now, let's talk about computer use agents with CUA. This is open source infrastructure for agents that can actually control your physical desktop across macOS, Linux, and Windows. We've all seen the demos, but CUA gives you the sandboxes and SDKs to actually build this yourself. It's essentially a bridge between AI models and OS interaction. They include specialized drivers and benchmarks so you can actually evaluate how well your agent is performing. It's gaining massive traction with 300 new stars today alone. The wild part? It handles the complex virtualization and containerization for you so your agents don't accidentally wreck your host machine while trying to learn. Whether you are building a personal assistant or a testing suite, CUA is the foundation for the next generation of agents that don't just chat, they do. GitHub themselves just dropped Spec Kit, and it's already at nearly 100,000 stars. This project is a massive toolkit designed for spec-driven development. The team at GitHub is effectively trying to stop what they call vibe coding. You know, when you just start writing without a clear plan or outcome in mind. This kit helps you focus on product scenarios and predictable outcomes. It's built to work perfectly with GitHub Copilot and other AI coding agent integrations. It's getting 1,000 stars a day because it provides a bridge between business requirements and actual engineering. It's formalizing how we use AI to write code. If you want your AI-generated code to be more than just a guess, Spec Kit is how you provide the context and constraints required for high-quality software. Anthropic just released a repository for financial services that is taking the industry by storm. It's a collection of reference agents and data connectors for finance workflows. We're talking about pre-built agents for investment banking, equity research, and wealth management. It can draft models, memos, and research notes for human review. What is unique here? You can install these as Claude Cowork plugins or deploy them through the Managed Agents API using the exact same system prompts. It's got over 13,000 alone, which shows you just how hungry the enterprise world is for specialized, vertical-specific AI agents that actually work. Even if you aren't in finance, the architectural patterns in this repo for building complex agents are some of the most sophisticated examples we've ever seen. For the terminal fans, DeepSeek-TUI is a coding agent that runs right in your command line. It's built in Rust for incredible performance. This agent uses DeepSeek models to stream reasoning blocks and edit your local workspace. It even has an auto mode that picks the right thinking level. The reason it's trending with 20,000 is simple. DeepSeek is currently the king of price to performance, and this TUI makes it easy to use. I love that it includes approval gates, so it won't just overwrite your files without you checking the plan first. It's safety-first AI for power users. If you are looking for a lightweight alternative to heavy IDE extensions, running DeepSeek natively in your terminal is honestly a game changer for speed. Byte Dance is in the game with UI-TARS Desktop. This is an open-source multimodal stack that connects cutting-edge AI models to agent infrastructure. It primarily ships as a desktop app and a CLI that can see what you see on your screen. It basically gives your AI model eyes and hands. It uses vision language models to navigate complex GUIs, allowing the agent to perform human-like tasks in your browser or any other local software. The repo is exploding because it's a complete multimodal stack, not just a wrapper. It's arguably the most polished desktop agent framework available right now. If you want to see how the biggest companies are thinking about GUI automation, UI-TARS is the project you need to clone and experiment with. Finally, we have 9router, which is basically an AI gateway that helps you never hit rate limits. It connects tools like Cursor and Copilot to free providers. It's a token saver that uses a technique they call RTK to reduce cost by 40%. It even has auto fallback to free models from 40 different providers. This is perfect for developers who want to use the best models constantly without getting hit by massive bills or restricted by daily usage quotas. It acts as a proxy, so you point your favorite AI tool at your local 9router instance, and it handles the routing and cost optimization in the background. With nearly 10,000 stars, it's clear people are looking for ways to democratize access to expensive models. 9router is the smartest way to do it. That's it for today's trending repos. A huge thank you to the contributors and maintainers who make the open source community so vibrant and exciting every single week. I hope you found a tool that's going to upgrade your workflow. If you did, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more. I'm Jason, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep building.